Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Mazda CX9 Luxury, stock reference number 5547. This shape runs from the 12th month 2007 through to the 6th month 2009. It has a 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 20-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door has no damage. Left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar, supply door bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has 1 small dent and a light fold on the rear edge, right power door mirror and a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heating control, sat nav head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster.